welcome to this challenge on setting up your year for success with your math scope and sequence. Today we're going to take a look at the Airtable and the spreadsheet with all of the standards in it. So this is what you're going to see in Airtable. This is just a list of all of them, all in one big row. And you can also look at them by conceptual area. And I had to make some funky abbreviations for them, but we've got number structures, then we've got composing and decomposing numbers, arithmetic operations, 2D and 3D shapes, area, perimeter, and volume, measurement, data, operations, and patterns. And that's more of numerical patterns. So those are our conceptual areas, and you can see how, like this one, it's only in grades 3 and 4. This one doesn't have anything in kindergarten, and so forth. There's different numbers. Second grade gets to skip over area, perimeter, and volume, and as does kinder. So let's look at them by grade now. Same kind of grouping by grade. And then you'll see the conceptual area over there so that you can see if you only have certain grades, you can look at only the grades you have. You can use this arrow to collapse whichever grades you want. Maybe you want to only see grades 3 and 4. So I just wanted to show you different ways to look at this and play around with the data. So next let's look at the Google Sheet, Excel spreadsheet. I want to show you how to look at the different, group things by grade or group them by conceptual area on this sheet. This is already grouped by grade. We have kindergarten here, we have first grade, so all of these are the first grade ones. But I'm going to show you how to group them by conceptual area. Or sort them rather. So I click on row number 1 to select the whole row, and then we're going to use this drop down box and select filter. Now each of these columns can be filtered. So I can click this to filter by this column, and let's just do ascending. Why not? So there we go. Number structure, we have all of those grouped together, and you can see that it does have some kinder, first, second, third, fourth. Then we've got composing and decomposing and so on. So that is how we can group by conceptual area. Here's my Google Sheets version of this information, and we can make a filter in this as well. Again, we'll click the first row, and this is the create filter symbol for Google Sheets. So every single row can be ordered now. But since it was already in grade order, let's do conceptual area A to Z, and there we go. Now you can see that number structure has got its kinder, first, second, third, fourth standards right there. Then if you want to undo that, just press your undo button. You could also click on this and filter by certain values. So say I just wanted to not even see, let's clear everything, and then I only want to see composing and decomposing. There we go. That's done with that filter. You just press undo so that you don't get yourself lost. So there we have all of our information, and hopefully that was helpful so that you can manipulate it and look at what we've got here. And tomorrow we will start doing some fun stuff with this information.